part about BTS is getting to see all of the people at Journey Team, getting to see what other customers are maybe doing.
What I enjoy the most about BTS is the discovery, to see the power of the new technologies.
We decided to come to Salt Lake City because we thought it would be a great opportunity to meet with the Journey team in person and really support this incredible day today.
I was glad to come to BTS because I really wanted to learn more about some of the Microsoft stack that maybe we haven't investigated yet. And what better way to find out more than from the experts we already trust for the Microsoft products we've worked on.
Microsoft decided to be a sponsor in BTS today because Journey Team is one of the top partners that we work with, and so we wanted to come out here and make sure that we were showing our support.
We're really excited to be here so that we can get to know the people that are here as well as support Journey Team in their conference.
My favorite part about working with Journey Team is their willingness to be an extension of my company and be an excellent partner and always have our interests in mind.
So I love coming to these events where I can network with a bunch of other companies that are doing the same thing, but also network within Journey Team for those individuals that I haven't worked with yet, be able to learn new technology and take up some ideas, things that I can take back and implement.
Journey Team's a great partner of ours. We just wanted to support the conference today and make sure that it was a great event.
We just wanted to show our support and come out and meet everybody, so we're happy to be here.